multiplying more than two fractions, I treat it the same as if I'm multiplying two fractions. When you're multiplying fractions, you go straight across. So my first step that I like to do is to make a long fraction bar separating the numerator and the denominator. Now you want to look at the numerator of things on the top and see if they can simplify with anything on the bottom, just to make your numbers a little bit smaller. So 5 and 15 can both be divided by 5, so I'm going to do that. 5 divided by 5 is 1, 15 divided by 5 is 5. 7 and 14 can both be divided by 7, so I'll do that. 7 divided by 7 is 1, 14 divided by 7 is 2, 11 and 3, 11 and they don't have anything else. So now, multiplying all the numbers that you have left on the top, 1 times 11 is 11, times 1 is 11, and in the denominator, 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 3 is 30, so 11 over 30 is the answer. And your answer, if you have fully simplified it as you go along, your final answer should be simplified. Okay, so again, I'm going to make an extra long fraction bar separating the numerator from the denominator. I made that too small. You can't see it, I'm sorry. Okay, so 5 and 10, they can be divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, 10 divided by 5 is 2, and that looks like it's about it. So in the numerator, I've got 3 times 3 times 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. In the denominator, I have 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. So if you simplify as you go along, then you have smaller numbers to deal with. So 9 over 56. Okay, the next one again, I'm just going to put a long fraction bar to split up my numerator from my denominator, and I'm going to look for things that might simplify. 4 and 8, you can divide both of those by 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Now, if you don't want to do that process, you literally can multiply all of the numerator, all of the denominator, and simplify your final answer. But you're going to have large numbers when you do that. And I prefer to work with smaller numbers. It's totally up to you. Just make sure your final answer is simplified. So 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 1 times 5 is 5, 5 times 11 is 55, 18 over 55.